Wheel bearing? All right, let's get to work. Time to replace. First things first, we start removing the brake caliper bolts. And look at that. Every single bolt comes out like butter. No rust, no drama, no broken bolts. It's like the car actually wants to be fixed today. Even with the air gun, they're coming off so easy. It feels like I'm building a Lego set instead of working on suspension. One by one, all the bolts are out, and by the time we hit 28 seconds, boom, the old wheel bearing is out. It's had a long life, but it's definitely ready for retirement. Now, here's the new one. Shiny, smooth, and ready for action. Let's give it a quick spin for the camera. Perfect. And now we install it back in place, bolt by bolt, everything fits beautifully. A wheel bearing might look like a simple metal ring, but it's actually one of the most important parts that let your wheels spin freely and quietly. If it's worn out, you'll hear that annoying humming or growling sound from your wheel. And trust me, once you replace it, the silence is golden. So, if your car starts sounding like a small airplane, it's probably time for a new wheel bearing. Like if you've ever heard that noise, comment if your bolts ever fought back, and follow for more real-life car fixes and smooth mechanic moments like this.